now in stores, stupid. And there is the bridge for the train, which is like more than 100 years old. Nice place. So because I was from there, I am here in the bridge. As you can see, this was really built in 1902. I was there in the train bridge! Scary walking. Welcome to Helvetes Fallet. In English, as in literally means hell waterfalls. Thousands of years ago, the water has been here. Look at the carving formation in the stone. And now we are like 10 meters above the waterfalls. Hello world! So this is Hell Bridge? Driving in the Swedish countryside, sandy road, because we're used to the paved road in the big cities, the asphalt road and this and that. So we are just slowly driving here. Quite interesting. Join me in visiting this 400 years old farming village. Let's go. It's quite amazing actually, the place. Let's look around. The old times, the people are really fishing and eating fish and using the boat as a mode of transportation. For example, you can see here all remnants of the past. Doghouse? Another nature reserve with a beautiful waterfalls, no people around. Really lovely holiday here in the Dalarna County in Sweden. American restaurant in Rättvik. We are obviously in Rättvik. And look, Cillian Lake in front of me. Huge lake. Swim! You know where we are? Do you know Ikea? It should be pronounced that way. This is the town, the headquarters where all originates. In the town called Älmhult is the Ikea town. And we are staying in Ikea Hotel. We are in the boat now from Sweden back to Travemünde, Germany. And due to coronavirus again, the restaurants are closed and everything, so we have to make our own cup noodles inside our cabin because as much as possible, no interaction with any other people. Let's eat dinner.